Healthy Kids Quick Recipe Ideas, Boiled Egg Fry. Process. Step 1. In a cooking container, add the eggs, pour some water. Bring to a boil, then reduce to low heat for 6 to 7 minutes. Remove with a slotted spoon and place in cold water. Peel the eggs once the temperature has dropped to a comfortable level. Step 2. Heat the pan and add the oil, then fry the eggs till golden brown. Turn it over and place it in a basin to set aside. Step 3. Now, in the same oil, cook the onions until they are yellow. Add turmeric, chili powder. Add the tomatoes and season with salt. Mix everything up thoroughly. Cook, stirring occasionally until the tomatoes are soft. Add black pepper, cumin, and coriander powder thoroughly. Then add the fried eggs and stir gently. Now egg curry is ready to serve. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves. Ingredients: boiled eggs, chopped onions, ginger garlic paste, tomatoes, turmeric, cumin, pepper, chili powder, oil, coriander leaves, salt to taste. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit the like button for more videos.